First, we'll do some scratch work so we can find the value of delta. So now by comparison, since x matches with itself, we can say this equals this and this equals that. So all of this that we've done so far, that's what teachers tend to call sort of some prerequisite or some scratch work. And the purpose of the scratch work is to discover the value of delta. Well, we have two possibilities. So what you want to essentially do is pick the smaller of the two deltas, which would of course be this one here, because we're subtracting a positive quantity. So we're going to throw this piece away and we're going to declare that, I'll use red, we're going to declare that delta has this value here. So now that we found the value of delta, we're going to begin the actual proof. Now to begin it, you want to use this piece here. So I kept that there, but instead of delta here, I put what we found it to be. Now the goal in all of this is to transform this. The goal is to transform that expression into something that says f of x minus L. That is the goal. So let's accomplish that with all of the following steps. I switched everything from here to here. I put the right on the left and I put the left on the right, and these got turned around. I turned the negative into a positive because it's going to work out with the factoring, and also that's allowed because I turned a smaller quantity into a bigger quantity, which there's no penalty to that because this is still greater than this here. There's no penalty in turning this into that, and that was done to make the factorization convenient. Now let me square root all the sides. So all the sides have been square rooted. Now simplify. And we can subtract 2 from everything. And this is the definition of, and this truly does complete your proof.